In this video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know to get started creating and selling avatar items. In Roblox, every user is represented by a character called an avatar. Right now, you can customize the appearance of your avatar by mixing and matching the following types of items found on the Roblox marketplace: accessories, clothing, and character bodies. Accessories, formerly called rigid accessories, are the most basic 3D cosmetic items that you can equip, like props and weapons. They're called rigid accessories because they attach to a specific point on an avatar character, like an inner tube around your waist. Clothing, formerly called layered clothing, are 3D cosmetic items you can equip and wear on your character body, like pants, t-shirts, jackets, and dresses. Unlike rigid accessories, which attach to a specific point on an avatar character, layered clothing stretches and fits over any body type in currently equipped clothing. And lastly, characters are the customizable models that wear the accessories and the clothing. So now that you know what the different avatar items are, let's talk about all the steps involved to allow the item to be purchased on the marketplace. First, the items are created in 3D modeling programs like Blender or Maya. Then, they're imported and uploaded through Roblox Studio. After being finalized in Studio, the items are published and listed for sale through the Creator Dashboard, which is the final step to allow the item to be purchased on the marketplace. But before you start selling your avatar items on the marketplace, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with 3 topics: the marketplace policy, intellectual property on Roblox, and marketplace fees and commissions. The marketplace policy outlines the prerequisites you need to complete in order to sell your items in the first place, which includes both technical and community-related specifications you need to abide by. Intellectual property, called IP, is all about copyright law and how to protect your own original creations. Before you sell anything on the marketplace, it's a good idea to understand how IP works within the Roblox ecosystem to protect you and the broader community. And lastly, you should know about the marketplace fees and commissions and understand how the monetary and purchasing details work for the different item types. Thanks for watching. We hope you found that helpful. To learn more about these topics, as well as more information about accessories, clothing, and characters, be sure to check out the resources in the description.